Assalamu alaikum students. This topic is for the class 7th. We're discussing about the media and democracy. We saw its introduction that media is the link between the government and the people, and because of the democratic form of government, media plays a great role in the government, in the public opinion, in the feedback of the policies and laws made by the government, and it is called the fourth branch or fourth organ of the government. What? That is media. We saw the introduction of public opinion, that it's the values, ideas, attitudes that came from the majority of the people, that came from the society, that is formed on specific issues. That is the public opinion. So today we will see what are the agents or what are the things through which the public opinion is formed, through which the public opinion is influenced, how people brought their public opinion before in front of everyone. So first one is the religious institutions. Public opinion is hugely influenced by religious views because religion plays a vital role in the lives of the majority. So first of all is the religious institutions. All the religious institutions, whether madrasas, whether the big gatherings of religious people, or the different institutions related to religion, plays a very important role in formation of public opinion, because those have very much influence on the people, on the majority of the people. The Hindus get influenced by their religious institutions, the Muslims get influenced by their religious institutions, Sikhs get influenced by their religious institutions, and all these institutions have a great impact on the public opinion. They help in formation of public opinion, which the religious institutions. Second thing is that, or the second agent involved in the formation of public opinion is influential persons. Within every human society, or those thought to have certain level of influence over a majority of people and can influence their opinion on public issues. In some society, in some area, in our human society, we have some influential persons. Those persons from which we get admiration, we get inspiration, or those who have a strong influence on the people. Like today we have the Prime Minister called Narendra Modi. He has a great influence on people. Even not only the Modi, but at societal level, we saw that there are different people who, like we have different people who have a great influence, which help in formation, which help in the formation of opinion on certain issues, on public issues. Like we saw that Gilani Saab, he has a great influence on the people. People admire him, people follow him. Some people, not everyone, but some people. Even he helps in the formation of public opinion. And not only he, but there are different people who have a great influence, who have a great personality, through which the public opinions are formed on different issues. Third one is the opinion polls. Third agent. Now those were the two agents which help in the formation of public opinion. That was the religious institutions. Even second one was the influential persons. Third one is also the media. Media also helps in formation of public opinion. Now we will see how to measure public opinion. How can we determine public opinion on specific issues? So first of all is the opinion polls. Government, academic institutions and industries use opinion polls to determine the views of the general public on a given issue. You have heard sometimes when the voting is done, or the voting is going on. In the news channels there are opinion polls, who will win the election, who is leading the election, who is leading in the votes, in the number of votes. You have heard those terms. But the government, the academic institutions, even the industries use opinion polls to determine the views of the general public on a given issue. That opinion poll is on the election, but sometimes the academic institutions, the government, the industries, they use opinion polls for the general public on some issues. When there is an issue in the society or in the country going on, which is on a high peak, then the different opinion polls are given, and through those opinion polls the public opinion is measured. The general public's views are measured on a given issue. Second one is the elections. When government or institutions wish to test the popularity of their policies, election is usually one of the ways it achieves this. So we can, when the election is the second thing which determines the measurement of the public opinion, when government or any institution wish to test the popularity of their policies, then the election is the best thing through which they can gain the public opinion. Like for example, we have the BJP. They lead their influence throughout the country. They put their policies, they put their agenda, they put their election manifesto before the people, that we will do this thing, we will do that thing. Through this the public opinion gets developed. The public thought that no, maybe this person will bring the development in the country, maybe this person will bring the employment, development, growth of the country. So the public opinion get formed because of his party's agenda, because of his party's policies, because of his party's election manifesto. So then they contest the election and they win the election and forms the government. So there the public opinion got formed because of this thing, that no, this government or this institution will help us. That means election is the best thing where we can check the public opinion of the majority of the people. And the third one is the mass media. Online voting platforms, radio programs, TV shows are also a way of measuring public opinion. It not only helps in measuring public opinion, but it also helps in formation of public opinion. The mass media, whether the electronic or whether the print media, it also helps us in formation as well as in measuring the public opinion. So mass media, whether the print media or the electronic media, they help in measuring the public opinion. Like the online voting platforms are given, the radio programs, the TV shows, they also show us how we measure public opinion. How can we determine the public opinion? How can we saw the views of the public opinion on specific issues? Like when the elections are held, different public opinions are given through the opinion polls. Even the mass media plays a great role, not only in formation. Because of the media, the people bring their views, their public opinion before the government or before the general public also. The people in the majority brings their opinion or present their opinion through mass media, through different platforms. Like I told you that online voting platforms are given, radio programs, TV shows, these also show us that how public opinion are measured. When there is any issue, then the mass media shows us that how public react on those issues, like the NRC Citizenship Amendment Bill. Though on that issues, the people, the public, general public present their opinion, form a public opinion, and through mass media that come to the different platforms that came before the government, that came before the whole world, that how public opinion is formed. Then the that then that public opinion was measured through the mass media also, and that became a crucial point for the government to think over that. Even many people are not willing to accept that, but they show their opinion. They show that how people react to different things. So we can say that whether public opinion is influenced by the influential persons, whether the public opinion is formed by the religious institutions, whether mass media, and how can we it measure through the mass media, through elections, through opinion polls. This public opinion is very important in determining the overall situation of a country. Thank you.